Welcome to Peter from Kenya. Glad to have you here. Okay, a few more folks joining in. Welcome everybody. Thanks for joining. We have a lot of great stuff to share today because as you mostly of you know, it's newsletter day. So a lot of this stuff we'll be sharing out in the newsletter a little later. So you'll kind of get the news before it happens. Super fun. So today is the last day of February. And if this is your first time to our call, I'm Jessie. So welcome from all of us at Topcoder. So we use these calls to kind of share what's happening with our community, but also to be here to answer some of your questions. And if you have need any help or how we can help you be successful or any clarifications you need. So we love doing this call for you guys so that we can not only meet you, but also help you and share all the cool stuff going on. So I'm just going to share my screen. Okay. And I should be able to see that now, hopefully. All right. All right, so can you believe February is already over? Goes so fast, doesn't it? Usually January takes forever to go through and then February just like flies. So here we are about to be March. Time flies. So let's talk first what we have going on. So we have our second Freelancer Fair happening, you guys. I'm really excited about this. So this event will be next Tuesday on March 8th as part of our International Women's Day celebration. Now, the purpose of our Freelancer Fair events are really for our Topcoder members who are hoping to become freelancers or be successful as freelancers, whether it's being your own boss and having your own business, or it's just being part of our freelance gig work community, or just being part of Topcoder in general. So the goal is really to help you and provide tips and things for you to learn and grow. So the Freelancer Fair event, I'm going to share the link here. You can register for it now. We have a really great agenda for you. So we have Lily Fogel coming back from Impressive Interviewing. She is fantastic. If you missed any of her talks the last time, you cannot miss her. She is so great, whether you are trying to find a new job or just want to be a better professional. She is just really fantastic to listen to. So I definitely recommend that you come there just for that, if anything. We have Ryan Lavender coming in, who runs his own freelancing business on SEO. And he's going to share tips to get your first client. So if you wanted to go out on your own and start your own business, he's going to have some great tips for you, as well as Alina from Freelance Business Community. She also has some great tips to share for freelancers. So we're excited for those guys coming in to talk. We have a number of tech talks, which I know our Topcoder members really do enjoy listening to. So including design patterns for applications that run in the cloud, planetary level systems using blockchain technology, and AI and ML and how they produce software that performs intelligent tasks. And that's with one of our own guys, Adam from our team. So so it's going to be a really great Freelancer Fair. The last piece of it will be a panel on the rise of the individuals and stories to inspire. So this will be hosted by Ashley, who was a part of Topcoder for many, many years, and she's now head of business operations for Topcoder, working for Wipro. And she will be moderating this panel with Suba, the CTO of Wipro, who is fantastic. She's amazing to listen to. Devar from iVow, she's actually a customer of Topcoders in the past. And Vicky from Topcoder community. So it's going to be a really great panel to listen to some of their amazing stories. So I definitely recommend that. And then as soon as that is over, we will be hosting some networking lounges where you can meet some of the folks that were talking and talk to them directly. I remember the last Freelancer Fair, we had a number of great guys in there chatting in the lounges and learning and sharing some stories. So it's a good time. So I encourage you to sign up for this event. If you're just joining, the event is going to be on March 8th. Please do check it out. We're really excited to be hosting our second Freelancer Fair. And we did take into consideration all the great feedback that we got from the last one. So we hope that you will be excited and join us. Any questions on the Freelancer Fair? Okay, did I miss anything, Corey? Okay.
Excellent job.
We are excited. All right. TCO stage 1 and 2. We have winners, you guys. And so I really wanted to make sure that we announce them on this call. I thought we had done this already, but completely did not, I think. We did it on another call, I think it was. Because Danielle and I were trying to figure out, where did we talk about the TCO winners? But we have them and we're super excited. So congratulations to our stage 1 finalists for algorithm, marathon, development, first to finish, and QA. I love seeing many veterans on here as well as a few newbies. So congratulations to all of you guys. And then for UI design, development, and design, and our co-pilot folks. So congratulations to those as well. A lot of veterans on the first stage. It's always interesting to see lots of veterans on stage in the first stage winning. So congratulations to our stage 1 finalists. Stage 2 finalists we have as well. We finally were able to close that out. Love seeing a couple more veterans and some newbies like Deepak Kumar, who I know just did an AMA a couple weeks ago. So congratulations to you for winning a trip to TCO, your first one. Oh, and he's here on the call today, so congratulations. I believe he's here today. Maybe it's the right one. But congrats to you and to a few others. And we also have our reigning QA champ CoJam qualified again, and our one of our past champions for algorithm, Piotr. So great to have you guys here. And then we have our UI design winners and our co-pilot trip winners. So congratulations to all of you guys as well. Great work putting in the time during that stage to work really hard, participate in a number of competitions or run them, and then qualifying for a trip. Now, I would love to say right now we're definitely doing TCO and it's gonna be great in person, all that good stuff. I don't have that like 99% guaranteed yet, but we do want to do it in person, and that's what Adam and I have talked about, is we want to do it. So I hope to have more news on that in the coming months, but that is the plan, to just say, you know what, we're doing it. I'm excited too about the optimism there, because today was the first day my kids got to go back to school with no masks. So they actually stopped making them wear masks at school as of today. So it's been almost 2 years. So we're going in the right direction, guys. So I have high hopes that we can do TCO in person. Of course, we have to take into consideration all the events going on around the world now. So we'll see what's going on, and we'll make the best choice that will be the best for everybody. Okay. And along those lines, I also wanted to share out a quick survey. So we've been running TCO for a very long time, a very similar way. And so we have put together a committee at Topcoder of folks who love TCO and want to help make it better. And we're going to do just that. We're going to come up with a whole new way of reimagining Topcoder Open for the better. And so we want your feedback before we start moving in any direction. So I have a survey. I'm going to share the link here. I do want to get as many people as possible to talk about what they think of TCO and how we can improve it, what ideas they have. Because if I've learned anything over my tenure at Topcoder, it's that everybody else has better ideas than me most of the time. So when I ask everybody in our community, I guarantee they're going to come up with some better ideas than I could have thought of. So I want to hear your ideas. Your feedback really matters. So please fill out that survey and help us make TCO better than it can ever be. All right, any questions on Topcoder Open? If you are new and you don't know what Topcoder Open is, I'm going to just put the link in the chat for what our TCO currently. We're running Topcoder Open 2022. And that is the website, tco22.topcoder.com. Check it out. You can learn all there is to know about TCO. We also have a ton of videos and informational and things. If you would like to learn more or you have any questions, you can always reach out to me as well. But we're super excited for our tournament. It's one of the best parts of being part of Topcoder is being part of Topcoder Open. Okay. Next up, we are announcing our Humble Full Cup, which will be actually March 17th. So Daniela, we have a typo on this, just FYI. So it's not March 7th, it's March 17th. Whoops, my mistake. Completely missed that. We were just talking this morning about doing a better job proofreading our work. So clearly we need to work harder. So our Humble Full Cup is happening. There's a blog post. I'm going to share this. the Humbleful Cup is happening on the 17th. Now, let me talk a little bit about this because this is super important. And I'm going to just bring up the event as well. So Humbleful, if you don't know who he is a Topcoder member from many years ago. And he is still the highest rated India member from Topcoder. So he is a red rated India member in algorithm. And he is still to this day the highest member with that rating from India. And he passed away, unfortunately, in a very tragic accident, like about 6 or 7 years ago. And because of that, we have gone and created this Humbleful Cup event in his honor. And we've run this for the past 6 years because he was so talented, so gifted. And he could have probably went and worked at Google or Microsoft, Facebook, wherever. But he decided to stay in India and help the people in his school and in his region in competitive programming. So he was a coach for competitive programming, and he helped them be successful. And he was such a great guy. I met him once at TCO. And so we do this in his honor at his alma mater in this part of this festival. And the Humbleful Cup is open to any student who wants to participate. There's 2 rounds of competition, and it's all in this blog post. So definitely check out the blog post. So we have 2 competitions. One's on the March 17th, and then the final round's on the 7th of April. And so the algorithm competitions will be the big part of the actual competition itself, right? So anybody who's a student can participate, and then those will move on to the final round who can potentially win. But we wanted to make this bigger of a deal, so we're actually hosting a virtual event right after the final competition. And this is open to everybody, whether you're from India or you're a competitive programmer or not, whoever you are. It's a great opportunity to come, get together, celebrate Humbleful, and learn some awesome things. So Meetup is coming in. He's going to do a talk on algorithmic thinking. He's fantastic to listen to. He's so incredibly talented. He's our problem writer at Topcoder. And we're going to be having an AMA session with some of our top competitive programmers. We have a guest host to host that panel, and some awesome CP folks lined up to be on that AMA, which we will announce a little closer to. Have some surprises we'll hold on for you. But this virtual event, as I said, is open to everybody. All the links are within that blog post, so you can sign up for the event, you can sign up for the competition. And we also have a scholarship opportunity as well, which we're really excited about. In honor of Humbleful Cup, we're doing a scholarship in conjunction with the Brackets Club, which is a nonprofit organization. And so that scholarship opportunity is open to any students as well in India. Okay, so please check out all the information in that blog post. Please register to join the event or to join the competition or to simply promote it. Please share it out with your friends because I think this is going to be a really fun event. I'm really excited about it. So any questions on the Humbleful Cup? Awesome. Okay, well, I hope to see you guys there. It'll be a good time. Okay, and then the next big thing we have is our Safety Wing webinar. This will be taking place on March 17th. So we at Topcoder have partnered with Safety Wing to give every Topcoder member the opportunity to purchase insurance. Okay, and so as part of that, we will be doing a webinar with the Safety Wing team on March 15th. Okay, I would like everybody to sign up and join this event because you will be able to learn about how this all works, what it costs, what the plans are, and there'll be a representative from Safety Wing running this, so he will have all the answers to your questions. This is a huge thing, guys. This is something that no other platform like ours is doing right now. So if you live in a country where you don't have access to health benefits or health insurance or social health care, whatever it is, or you travel a lot, or you want to work wherever you want to work and not have to worry about paying astronomical prices for going to the doctor or the hospital or whatever emergency you might have. Safety Wing's going to provide you that opportunity through Topcoder. So please do join in this session. It'll be great information for everybody. And this is open to every Topcoder member. So regardless of how much you do on our platform or not, if you're a Topcoder member, you have access to purchase benefits. Okay, any questions on this? Okay, quite proud today. All right, have you guys got on Discord yet? So we have a Topcoder Discord server, which is pretty awesome. Please do join. Aaron or somebody, if you guys can share the link. I don't know if the link I have is correct anymore. I feel like sometimes they get expired, but anyway, please join Discord. It's a lot of fun. We're able to give all of you the opportunity to network and really connect with folks, especially folks in your region. We also have our events posted in there. We have the ability to get on a voice chat, hang out with folks. And we also have like a music lounge. You can hang out and just listen to music with everybody. So it's a good time. Please do join our Discord channel if you have not already. And let us know whatever feedback you have. Anybody have any thoughts on Discord so far? Are you guys enjoying it? I hope it's not sucking up too much of your time.
The Hangout Friday was really fun with all the games, so we need to do more of those.
Yeah. Yeah, I enjoyed that as well. We were looking at drawings of movies and we had to guess which movie was being drawn. It was funny. If you knew your Disney movies, you did good at that game.
Jesse rocked there.
Yeah, they
absolutely unfair. Like we couldn't beat you at all.
I had to stop playing because they said I kept winning, so they made me leave. No, I'm just kidding. No, it was fun. It's always a good time when we get people together and we just hang out and play some games and have some fun. It's not always about work. All right, looking forward to seeing you guys in Discord. And eventually we'll probably be moving some of our calls like this to Discord, which would be great. And I know that we'll be starting calls like this in other regions, South America and Africa. Those will be kicking off next week and we'll be running those in Discord. So if you're in the Africa region or South America region, then you will have a host running this exact call in Discord for you. All right, let's talk about our gigs this week, our freelance gigs of the week. We have a number of gigs that are available to you. We have a UI developer gig here. This is located, any location you can be in. These are the required skills you need to have to be able to do this gig. And this is working India Standard Time hours, okay? So please check out this gig if you're interested and you have the experience needed, please apply. If you have somebody in your life that could fit this, is looking for a freelance job or any type of work, you can share that here with the referral link and we will keep track of that and you can earn $500. Just make sure you're logged in at Topcoder if you want to have access to that referral link. Okay, the next gig we have is a .NET developer. This is located anywhere as well. These are the required skills. There's a number of them, so you would need to make sure all of those are on your resume if you want to be considered for this gig. So take a look at this and apply or share with a friend. We have a data modeler gig, also any location. This is an 8-week-long gig. So check this one out. These are the skills. If you're interested, you can apply. Also, again, share because you can earn some money. Front-end developer. This is a USA only gig. This is a year-long gig. So if you know any folks on the West Coast that would be interested in this, you can share that. And finally, we have a senior software developer gig. This is also any location. And this is a 4-week-long gig. So if you are interested in any of these, please apply and share. As always, if you go to topcoder.com/gigs, you can see the list of all of our freelance gig opportunities. It's a great way to supplement your income and work as much as you want while you're taking a break from other things, or it's really up to you how you want to do it. And you can also search, of course, by skill or by location here. Okay, any questions on gig work today? All righty. This weekend we have a time change, just as a friendly reminder, because we love to mess with timing here. So Topcoder time will be changing back to UTC -4. So we are springing ahead. We lose an hour of our lives this weekend. So if you are participating in competitions, please know that the time is changing Sunday morning at 2 a.m. Topcoder time, around there. And so next week, this meeting will be at a different time. It'll be an hour from now. So it doesn't always fit well with your calendar. So just keep that in mind, especially because I know, isn't Europe changing in a couple weeks, Daniela? So you guys will have like a couple weeks of different timing. Yeah, 3 weeks. Why can't we all just agree to do it at the same time if we're going to do it all, right?
Jesse, is ours in 2 weeks on the 13th?
I thought it was the 6th. That's what I had. Am I lying? Did I get that wrong?
It might be a week later, so we might have one more week to prepare.
How did I get that wrong? Good to know. Okay, anyway, it's happening. We'll let you know, confirm it. Thank you. Oh, I swear I saw it because I have something else going on that day. And I was like, oh, that's gonna be great. I have this on that day. Weird. All right, well, there's your friendly reminder in advance. It's happening. And then we have our schedule for what's happening coming up. So we have our next RDM starting Friday. Penna, you want to give us a quick overview of this awesome RDM you guys are excited about?
Yeah, totally. So this is RDM number 5, which is a newer kind of competitive programming contest at Topcoder that focuses on real-life development skills such as Docker and APIs instead of segment trees and algorithms and data structures. This time we'll be working with actual Topcoder APIs and with Topcoder data on this particular RDM that we are currently finalizing. These are fast-paced matches consisting of 3 problems within an 8-hour time span. There will be prizes and they are rated, so they are a great way of, first of all, checking your level within development with general development skills and in competing and improving your skills in truly fundamental software development skills. Looking forward to seeing your participation. We consider the previous RDM a month or so ago a success, and we're hoping to move forward from there. So really hoping to see your participation there.
Awesome, thanks, Penna. This will be a great RDM, so please check it out. If you're looking for it, it'll be right on the competition page, the challenge listing page. So topcoder.com/challenges, this will show up on Friday. So don't miss that. And Penna has our call in about 30 minutes. So if you want to learn more about the RDM and how it all works, you can join him in about 30 minutes to chat, or you can go in Discord. So don't miss out on the RDMs. As mentioned earlier, we have International Women's Day Freelancer Fair on the 8th. We have an SRM coming up next week as well. Our next Topcoder Nation show with Ravi will be on the 10th, so that'll be a fun event. Ravi is so much fun to listen to, so please check out that event. It'll be a great time. We have our health benefits webinar on the 15th. The next marathon match starts on the 16th. I also heard that we have another customer mini marathon launching in a couple weeks, maybe even next week. So stay tuned for that one. I don't have a final date for them yet. And then we have our Humble Full Cup qualifying round, and then a couple more SRMs at the end of the month. So lots going on in March, lots of fun things. So definitely check all that stuff out. So that is it for me today. Does anyone have any questions? Is there anything that we can do today to help you? Who has questions? Anything I missed? Anything from the team that you guys want to promote? Anything coming up? Okay, you guys are good. So definitely check out the newsletter that's coming out with links to everything, and we'll have this recording up, and we will have links for everything in Discord as well. So lots of cool things happening to keep you guys busy. If you have any questions or concerns, or you want any more information or need help with anything, the entire team is here to help you. So send us a note or ping us on Discord. All right. With that, I guess that's a quick call today. Thank you guys. Have a great rest of your week.
Thank you all.
Thanks, everyone.